A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Wagwan everybody, my name is CAVAUGH Edwards. I'm going to read to you from the Jamaican New Testament. But before we do that, remember to press the subscribe button, press the like button too, and share with your friends and families. And overall, just stay tuned. I'm going to read to you from Galatians chapter 6, verse 11 to 14. So bear with me while I read. I might not look up, but may I read. Uno see the letter them big when me write to uno with me own hand. The one them where I try force uno to get circumcised. Them just want to brag and boast about themselves. Them a push uno to get circumcised so that them not suffer. Cause them would have suffer if them did not tell people about how Jesus dead upon the cross to save them. Not even the one them were circumcised a follow the law. But them want you to go get circumcised so that them can go brag about how them cause you to do it. Me hope say, me will only boast about how Jesus dead upon the cross for me, and how sake of him, me no live like the rest of people them in the world live. Me dead to the world, and the world dead to me. Me hope say, me never ever boast about nothing else but that. A God word, we give thanks.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.